Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable and set up the mobile hotspot on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. So the first thing that we need to do is go to settings. Then in the settings we want to go to network and internet, and then over here we have hotspot and tethering. So let's open this option. Now over here, if you want to enable the Wi-Fi hotspot, we need to simply tap this option over here. And over here you can see the name of your Wi-Fi hotspot. We can also tap on it in order to find some more information about it. So we can change the hotspot name if needed. We can tap on it in order to set a new name. We can also tap on this QR code icon over here in order to display the QR code so that you can quickly scan it. Over here you can also see the password for the hotspot. In addition to that, we can also change the hotspot password over here. So of course in this menu we have it we have asterisks instead of the password, but we can tap on it and then we can see the current password, and then we can delete it and type anything we want to have it as the password. And once we set OK, then of course we will update the password. And that's pretty much it. That's how we can quickly turn on and use the Wi-Fi hotspot on Motorola Moto G04 and the G04s. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!